Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Australia and Malabar exercise. Why this is in news. India has shortly take a call on Australia's inclusion in Malabar. Australia's inclusion would be seen as a possible first step towards the militarization of the Quad coalition, something Beijing has opposed in the past. Besides, even Japan and the United States have been keen on Canberra's inclusion for some time now and have been pushing India to consider it. Now, moving on to the procedure that has to be followed. Once the government takes a decision to include Australia, as per procedure, the other partner nations, Japan and United States, have to be informed to secure their consent, after which a formal invitation would be extended to the Australia. Malabar began as a bilateral naval exercise between India and the United States in 1992 and was expanded into a trilateral format with the inclusion of Japan in 2015. It has been delayed this year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now let's know what is Quad grouping. The quadrilateral formation includes Japan, India, United States and Australia. All four nations find a common ground of being the democratic nations and common interest of unhindered maritime trade and security. The idea was first mooted by Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe in 2007. However, the idea couldn't move ahead with Australia pulling out of it. The significance of the grouping is as follows. Number one is that Quad is an opportunity for like-minded countries to share notes and collaborate on projects of mutual interest. Number two, members share a vision of an open and free Indo-Pacific. Number three, it is one of the many avenues for interaction among India, Australia, Japan, and United States and should not be seen in an exclusive context. That's all for this Australia and the Malabar exercise. Thank you, friends.